In this video I am going to show you how you can use FMBench Session Browser to examine what individual users were doing with your solution. After applying your filter and analyzing your log data from the selected period of time, you can use Session Browser to browse through individual user sessions. In FMBench Session Browser, you can see all sessions that fulfill the filter parameters you have previously set. Every session is identified by the time when the first event was logged for that session, the user's name, the client IP address, and the client's environment. This is important. Scripts that started before or ended after the selected time interval are not displayed in the session browser. To see the complete session with all objects in it, you have to set your filter to a broader time interval to include the whole session. Expand the session row to reveal the objects and events recorded for that session. You can open the session details in a new window by holding the Shift key when clicking on the session row. In most cases, objects will be scripts of your solution. For each object, you can see when it was entered and how much time the user spent there. The total time can be displayed, also excluding subscripts. This can help you to focus on just the specific script's code when optimizing your solution. When you move the mouse pointer over the total time value, a tooltip appears to show you more details about how the time is divided between raw processing, measuring overhead, and waiting for users' interaction. The start time of each object can be displayed either as an absolute time or relative to the preceding row. Expand the object row to see individual events as well as unnested objects such as subscripts. When you get too deep in the hierarchy, Session Browser automatically opens a new window for you so that you can still see significant part of the listed objects' names. You can also manually open a new window by holding the Shift key when expanding an object row. When you find an object that seems like it might need some optimization, you can use the BNF button at the end of the row to open the bottleneck finder and highlight that object so that you can see how much processing time it consumed in total in comparison to the rest of your solution. Session Browser gives you a detailed insight into how people actually use your solution, and now you're ready to find the real bottleneck and optimize it.